Welcome back to Auto Vibe, your go-to place for in-depth reviews of the latest cars hitting the roads. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a model that has consistently set the benchmark for reliability, efficiency, and affordability. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2025 Corolla sports a sharper, more athletic design than ever before. The front fascia is dominated by a bold honeycomb grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a confident presence on the road. The sculpted side panels, aerodynamic lines, and new alloy wheel designs give it a sporty yet sophisticated stance. Toyota has also introduced some exciting new color options this year, including a striking blue crush metallic and celestite gray. The rear end is equally aggressive, featuring LED tail lamps and a subtly integrated spoiler that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Now stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Corolla is all about comfort, connectivity, and class. The cabin features soft-touch materials, refined trims, and a driver-focused layout. You get a new 8-inch floating touchscreen as standard, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims add a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and ambient lighting, giving the Corolla a tech-forward and premium feel. Seating is supportive and ergonomic, with available SOFTX upholstery and dual-zone climate control making every ride more comfortable. Under the hood, the Corolla continues to impress. You have a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT transmission for excellent fuel efficiency. For those looking for more sustainability, a hybrid variant offers a combined mileage of over 50 mpg. Toyota's TNGA platform ensures a balanced ride with improved handling and reduced road noise. Safety is top tier with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane trace assist, road sign assist, and automatic emergency braking. Looking back at its history, the Corolla has been a symbol of dependability since its debut in 1966. With over 50 million units sold globally, it remains one of the best-selling cars of all time. The 2025 model carries that legacy forward with modern innovation and practical design. So whether you're a student, a commuter, or a small family, the 2025 Toyota Corolla